Myself, Ashwini Kumar Khuntia from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIST University. Actually, in NIST University, different branches are there, like computer science, electronics, mechanical is one of the branch. In mechanical engineering, we are providing the BTech, MTech, and Ph.D. programs. In our department, we have a very good high-end laboratories. For example, we have CNC labs is there, and we have Mechatronics lab is there. Robotics lab is there. So depending upon the automation requirement, mechanical syllabus we modified. We introduced Python. We introduced machine learning. We introduced deep learning. We introduced robotics. We introduced AI. All these things are introduced in our curriculum. So that what happens, as per the mechanical, the student can choose in the mechanical as well as into this, the recent trend requirement of this artificial intelligence. So we are giving all these things. So it is helpful for the students to make a right career in this high-end technologies like this automation engineering. And another thing in MTech, we are giving the thermal engineering. And PhD, we have actually around 5 PhD faculties. These faculties are all are from the NITs and IITs. So anyone can interested for this machine learning, deep learning. This also we are giving the research in our department. So this is all about our department. Thank you so much.